once again. That making me think of so much shit going tonight. New York, chopping up, getting my first Benz.
But how do I make it not have to see that? Because it comes through the speaker? You couldn't speak it down for a second?
Yo, Act, I gotta work on an album. I need to go off stream for a second, but I need to listen through these like fucking 100 records I'm listening to right now to chop up. I just found out like about 10 minutes ago, right? Yeah.
We love you, brother. We love you, yo. Let me tell you this is an epic moment. Thank you for this. Just for watching you cutting up samples. You're my childhood hero. You're the reason that before I was never a media personality, I was a DJ. Before that, I was a producer because of you. I love you. Thank you just for that.
Yeah, thank you,
just
sir.
For that. I appreciate you. I love you for that.
When I get more chops, we go pull up, and I'm gonna play you like how the album's coming together too. The